Hi, hello, and welcome to Red Rose Academy. I am very happy to introduce one more course in our academy, CLAT entrance coaching, that is Common Law Admission Test. So, after cracking CLAT exams, some of the advantages one can get admission in the top law university of India. Students of NLUs are now more preferred over other Indian candidates in interviews, especially. Studying from a quality institute opens up career opportunities in sectors like corporate management, legal services, media, etc. So, I would like to call upon our professor, Mr. Royal, to give more information about this CLAT entrance exam and then how to crack this CLAT 2021 during this pandemic situation. Okay.
Dear all, it's my pleasure to meet you all virtually. I believe that everybody is doing good, especially in these turbulent times. I'm Royal Raj S, employed as the Assistant Professor of Law at the Tamil Nadu National Law University, Tiruchirappalli. One famed jurist remarked like this: the alternative to the rule of law is the chaos of the jungle. The alternative to the rule of law is the chaos of the jungle. That in itself signifies the necessity of law. We should also be aware of the fact that anything under the sun is governed by various rules, regulations and laws. And we are also aware of how much law provides us boundaries in whatever things we involve in. Having said that, law is one of the fascinating subjects. The then Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, Justice Sahi, remarked like this: law is not a general knowledge, law is a special knowledge. Law is not a general knowledge, law is a special knowledge. Yes, indeed, as pointed out by the judge, the subject that we are going to look upon is a subject of concern or a subject of interest, I would rather say. You might wonder, how can I become a lawyer? Many would have seen the fanciful court arguments, especially in movies. Many of you would have been impressed by the Men in Black. Now, in order to study law, or in order for one to become an advocate, especially in our own Indian setting, we have something called as the Common Law Admission Test. They generally call it the CLAT. This Common Law Admission Test provides an opportunity for any student to enter into the premier law institute, or what we call as the national law universities. As of now, the consortium of national law universities includes 22 national law universities, and once a student writes in the CLAT exam, or when he gives in the CLAT exam, he will be entitled, or that provides him an opportunity to reach any of the 22 national law universities. In addition to that, there is also the National Law University Delhi that has its own entrance exam. When you look upon how the CLAT exam is structured, this CLAT exam is of 150 marks. Each right answer will fetch you 1 mark, and a wrong answer will result in deduction of 0.25 mark. And this particular CLAT exam contains within itself 5 important sections. Firstly, English language. Secondly, current affairs or general knowledge. Then thirdly, logical reasoning. Fourthly, legal reasoning. And finally, quantitative techniques. These are the 5 main components that you will be having in your CLAT exam, CLAT undergraduate exam. There's also the CLAT postgraduate exam. In addition to the 22 national law universities, this CLAT score is also recognized by several other affiliated institutes. For example, the Alliance University in Bangalore or the ICFAI University in Dehradun. They all recognize this CLAT score. On the whole, writing this CLAT exam will provide you an opportunity to study in the elite premier law institutes in our country. More on this, you can feel free to contact us anytime. That's the Red Rose Academy, provides you all of the necessary coaching regarding the CLAT exam. And our academy has 3 important courses. One is the crash course for 2 weeks, other is a 2-year program, and another program is a 1-year residential program that is also available in the Red Rose Academy. Those who are interested to join this noble profession, you are certainly welcome to contact our academy. When you think about the career prospects in law, you can certainly be an attorney or an advocate enrolled with the respective bar councils of the respective state. In addition, there are also adequate prospects in the judicial service, or you can be an academician after finishing your post-graduation and after qualifying the national eligibility test as conducted by the University Grants Commission. You can also be a part of the legal academia. In addition to that, you can also serve as legal advisors. I'd also like you to know this fact. There are also vacancies in the Indian Armed Forces. Specifically, when you look upon the Indian Army, there is a separate post called Judge Advocate General. The Indian Army also issues notification regularly. You can also check back on the Indian Army's official website for further details. If you are interested in joining a corporate law firm, that is also possible. There are multiple avenues when one chooses law, and we need not think that studying law will always make one advocate. That's not the case. Even in addition to the traditional court practice, there are multiple avenues. I wish you all the best, and any queries you have, we'll be happy to address. And I would encourage all of you to pursue on the path of becoming successful lawyers. Stay tuned. Best of luck. Thank you.